Exciting news for Costco executive members. Starting June 30th, 2025, you'll receive a $10 monthly credit towards same-day delivery orders on Instacart, making it easier to get your favorite Costco items delivered right to your doorstep. This perk is part of Instacart's effort to enhance the value of Costco's executive membership, and it's available exclusively to executive members in the US and Canada. How it works. The $10 monthly credit is automatically applied to qualifying orders of $150 or more placed through sameday.costco.com, sameday.costco.ca, or Costco via Instacart. Instacart enables fast and reliable delivery of Costco's warehouse items, often in as little as an hour. This benefit builds upon Instacart's long-standing partnership with Costco, which began in 2017 for same-day delivery and expanded in 2021 with Costco's same-day delivery website powered by Instacart Storefront Pro. Members get more delivered to your door with the convenience of fast and reliable delivery through Instacart. Avoid peak crowds and navigate stores with greater ease by having your groceries delivered. Additional perks: as an executive member, you'll also enjoy other benefits like 2% annual reward on eligible purchases, extra savings on insurance, and waived payment processing fees for the first year. On the marketing side, the Trade Desk, TTD, and Instacart have taken their partnership to the next level by integrating Instacart's grocery selection data with the Trade Desk platform. This collaboration is a game changer for marketers, enabling them to unlock advanced audience targeting and closed-loop measurement at scale and in real time on the open internet. With this integration, advertisers can now access Instacart's vast grocery catalog and create custom audience segments directly within the Trade Desk platform. These segments can be based on specific product categories, and advertisers can implement them seamlessly mid-flight into new or ongoing campaigns. This means that insertion orders are no longer a barrier, and approved brands and agencies can operate with greater agility. The partnership also enables CPG brands to view real-time sales measurement data from Instacart directly within TT's platform. Advertisers can see the impact of their campaigns through closed-loop measurement, including metrics like attributed sales and return on ad spend, or ROAS. This integration allows omnichannel media teams to optimize campaigns in real time, modifying their strategy based on key parameters driving product demand. Major players in the advertising industry are already seeing tangible benefits from this partnership. For example, Omnicom's Flywheel and Danone have used the integrated setup to run successful campaigns. Danone's Feel Plenty Good campaign for Silk leveraged off-site audience data and optimized creative assets in real time, making it easier to reach target consumers and measure downstream impact. The TTCart partnership is a key catalyst in Instacart's broader strategy to position itself as a full-funnel advertising solution. With more than 7,000 active CPG brand partners and 1,800 retail partners across the United States and Canada, Instacart is becoming a central hub for omnichannel campaign management. Advertisers can access Instacart retail data across multiple platforms, including the Instacart Marketplace, e-commerce grocery partner sites, in-store via smart Caper carts, and through off-platform partnerships with major players like Google, Meta, and Roku. The Trade Desk continues to drive advancements in the advertising world with fresh launches and collaborations. The company recently unveiled Deal Desk, an innovation within its Kokai platform designed to enhance how advertisers and publishers manage one-to-one deals and upfront commitments. With AI at its core, Deal Desk is poised to tackle the pressing issues of deal underperformance, lack of transparency, and inefficient pacing in the programmatic advertising landscape. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.